Assalamu alaikum friends, today I'm going to do unboxing of Hk9 Pro Max Plus. Previously I've unboxed Hk9 Ultra 2 Max. They both are newer version of Hk9 Ultra 2 and Hk9 Pro Plus series. They've added some new features like you can now connect your TWS in both of these, which is a very good feature and previously was missing from Hk9 Ultra 2 and Hk9 Pro Plus. So as you can see on the box it says Hk9 Pro Max Plus. They should have named it something different because it's very confusing actually. So let me just unbox this and show you what's inside the box. So I ordered this in black color and you can buy this from Zorwing. Link is in the description. So as you can see we have quick start guide, which we actually don't need. It's very easy to pair these watches. I will show you that in a few minutes. And inside the box we have charging dock and strap. The strap looks amazing actually, black strap you get in the box. So let me put that to the side, and as you can see it says 9 on top because it's a copy version of Apple Watch Series 9. So let me just peel the plastic from the back. And the build quality is really great in Hk9 series. On the back we don't have actually any sticker now, which is weird actually. And on the right hand side as you can see we have crown key and power button. Looks exactly like Series 9. And on the left hand side we have a speaker grill. And the build quality of this is amazing guys, and trust me. And the case size is 45 mm. So let me just turn on the watch. And it has original AMOLED display. In my opinion, in Hk9 series they are using one of the best AMOLED displays. So let me change the language to English, and let me pair the watch with my phone. So we will pair it with the Wear Fit Pro application, which is available for both Android users and iOS users. So let me just pair it. Open Wear Fit Pro application. And it's very easy to pair. So let me go to device and add device. As you can see it says Hk9 Pro Max Plus. Now we will get a pop-up. As you can see, now click on the tick mark. Paired successfully. As you can see, very easy to pair these watches guys. So as you can see we have a watch face that is similar to previous Hk9 Pro Plus. So here is another watch face, modular watch face that is old. So let me show you the difference between this watch face and the previous watch face that we get. This is the previous watch face, actually modular watch face that has that does not have a real compass animation. So as you can see we have Hk9 Pro Plus Max. It has a real compass animation. Previously Hk9 Ultra 2 has the similar watch face like the one that I'm showing you on the left side. So that is the new watch face as you can see on Hk9 Pro Plus Max, but they added that this watch face is also available in Hk9 Pro Max Plus. So they added two watch faces. Let me just show you the other one. I don't know why they did that, but it's easier for me to show you what was the difference in previous Hk9 series. So this watch face looks really good and does look like the original Apple Watch Ultra. As you can see, if I move the watch, compass is moving, and but previously we don't have that watch face, so that is a good option actually. So let me just change the screen on time. Let me see if there are any other watch faces. So this is the old one that you get with the Hk9 Pro Plus and Hk9 Ultra 2, which looks very ugly in my opinion. And thank God now they added a new watch face, modular watch face that looks similar to Apple Watch Ultra. But I don't see that many new watch faces. So let me just show you the bezel size. As you can see guys, bezel size is very thin, and screen quality and the image quality is awesome guys in Hk9 series. And if we talk about UI smoothness, I believe Hk9 Pro Plus was a little bit smoother compared to Hk9 Pro Max Plus. So if I go into about, as you can see, the system version, we are on 3.0.1, and they need to improve a little bit transition effects. As you can see, looks a little bit choppy compared to Hk9 Pro Plus, but the display quality is amazing, guys, and the build quality, I'm really liking the build quality in this one. So, and you can order this in silver as well. So overall the watch is good, guys, and it has palm gesture as well, and the wrist to wake feature in Hk9 series is awesome, guys. It is very similar to original Apple Watch Ultra. So here is our activity mode, which has a black background now. That looks kind of annoying actually, but the sports mode animation is now good compared to previous models. It has a green background. Now this one has black background, which looks similar to original Apple Watch. So as you can see on the back, sensors are working, but still they didn't improve heart rate sensor. It still measures the table heart rate, unfortunately, which is annoying. And now let's see, if I go into app view, we have different menu styles, 4 menu styles actually. So this is the list view, which is easier to navigate actually. So now it has actually blood pressure sensor as well, and you can connect your TWS as well in this model, and it has photo album now. So as you can see, blood pressure sensor, and we have photo album. We have smart memo as well. We have different applications, and Alipay, I believe it does not work in other countries. So we have wallet option as well. I don't know what is that, but so the display quality is amazing, as I'm really impressed by the display. And if I swipe down, as you can see, we have notifications. Swipe from the top. If I go right, as you can see, sleep tracking, weather, and local music. Weather and animations also look very good. And now you can connect your Bluetooth earbuds, which was a feature that was needed. Previously it was not available, and this is the best feature in my opinion. And the wrist to wake feature is still one of the best in Hk9 series. So I really like the build quality of Hk9 series and Hk9 Ultra 2. So as you can see, on the right hand side we have Hk9 Ultra 2 Max, and on the left hand side we have Hk9 Pro Max Plus. So which one do you like, guys? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you like this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. If you want to know any further details about these watches, you can ask me in the comments. I will surely reply. So the things that I like to see in these watches is free watch faces actually, because all of them are now paid watch faces, most of them, which are new. So let's hope for that. And if you like this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Allah Hafiz.